Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Dear viewers, now I would like to describe, explain, narrate about the meeting between the interim government, Dr. Yunus, as well as the BNP acting chairman, Tariq Rahman. Especially, a message has been spread out among people throughout the country, across the country, over the country, and exactly Bangladeshi people, those who lived in any place throughout the world. A message has been exactly spread out that a meeting began between interim government Professor Dr. Yunus sir and BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman ended yesterday at Lorchester Hotel in England. But we know exactly about the meeting. Representatives from both sides were being held at a joint press conference, including Chief Advisors, Press Secretary Shafiqul Alam, and a senior Nation Council or National Council or National Advisor Khalilur Rahman, including BNP Standing Committee Amir Mahmood Khosru Chowdhury, were present in the meeting. In brief, in the summarization, in abbreviation, actually, I would like to ask exactly what's the outcome of the meeting between interim government and BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman. It may be so, most of the people throughout the country told about this matter that exactly the national election may be held before Ramadan in the month of February. This is the outcome, this is the result. But sorry to say that exactly about this matter, there is a big question in the people's mind. Anyway, there are two positive sides and negative sides also about this matter, that exactly in our country a new trending, new tradition, new history, new culture has been started in our political history after 5th August. We followed before few months ago Jamaat Amir Dr. Shafiqur Rahman and BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman sat in a meeting and discussion about different types of issue, including election or different types of matter. It's a very good site. And again, we also follow that exactly the chief advisor Dr. Yunus and BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman sat in a meeting in a sofa and at Lorchester Hotel in England yesterday. It's a very positive side, good culture, good tradition, and new trend. And we salute this, we respect this, we facilitate this matter exactly. We welcome, warm welcome for this matter. But another option that exactly the nation is exactly frustrated, upset about this fact. But why are they frustrated? Why is the nation frustrated, upset about the meeting? That exactly we follow that exactly between Chief Advisor Dr. Yunus and interim and BNP acting chairman Tariq Rahman discussed about the election especially, and Tariq Rahman's request, Dr. Yunus told, with the advancement of reformation, judgment, prediction, the election may be held in February before Ramadan, last week of February. It's also a positive side, and we can admit this matter. But the matter that exactly between the two legends, two senior leaders, two respectable persons in our country sat in the outside of the country in London, but they discussed especially the main issue, when will election be held. But we have to ask the big question that exactly why have the martyrs, including students, people, sacrificed their lives in July movement? Over 2,000 students and people have sacrificed their lives, but only for election. This is the question of election. July movement has been created has been organized, has been placed for election? No and never. Bangladesh has got again and again election last 54 years, and we've got a lot of government. We've got a lot of government in our country, but Bangladesh got championship in corruption according to international transparency. So according to this calculation, we can understand the reality that exactly Bangladesh got championship in the duration of Awami League as well as BNP. So election is not a solution. Election is not a matter. Election will be held today or tomorrow, before Ramadan or after Ramadan. It's not a matter. The nation deserves the reformation of the election commission, the police department, BGB, army, and all of the law enforcers. We believe that exactly our law enforcers are very weak. If any political terrorist, any person, any tendership, or anyone who are exactly terrorist arrested in the police station, we follow that exactly the political activists, the political leaders go to the police station and snatch away that terrorist. So what's the result of our police department, our army department, our BCB? So we follow that exactly. This police department and these law enforcers are quite impossible to arrange a fantastic election, a impartial election, a free fair election. It's quite impossible. That's why I would like to request Professor Dr. Yunus sir, you will have to reform the reformation from the secretariat to the union council, from the capital city to the village, from police department, BGB, law enforcers to the every single office related to the government or non-government, and we'll have to free from corruption. And not only this, exactly from election commission to the secretariat we'll have to reform. And not only this, with the advancement of the judgment jurisdiction of tyranny government Sheikh Hasina, and when the people will follow the reformation, the judgment, the jurisdiction, and free fair election, impartial election will be held either February or March. It doesn't matter exactly to the people of our country. And that's why, and another option, that exactly the YOLO journalist and some senior leaders of different types of political parties claim that Dr. Yunus is insulted by British Prime Minister Keir Starmer in England. I'm exactly amazed after observing such kind of matter, after listening such kind of news from the YOLO journalists, from the some senior political leaders. They told about this matter, about the insultation of Dr. Yunus. How can they tell about this matter exactly? That we have to realize that Dr. Yunus went to England to make a tour and to have seat with British Prime Minister Starmer, Keir Starmer. But we have to understand that Europe or America or England, their Prime Minister wouldn't be interested to track down the holding money, which has been money laundering from the country, from our country. They won't be interested to return money. This is their policy. This is their diplomacy. When Dr. Yunus has gone to England for tracking down the money laundering or laundering money from the country, and he is interested to track down, to receive the money from others country, from England or Europe, only at that time they are unable, they are totally isn't interested to sit down with Dr. Yunus. This is the reality exactly. That's why our Dr. Yunus, our professor, our leader, our chief advisor is exactly respected, is exactly dignified, is exactly valuable person to us, to all of the world, to all of the people of the world. So we have to salute Dr. Yunus. And I believe that exactly Jamaate Amir Dr. Shafiqur Rahman, BNP active chairman Tariq Rahman, as well as the different types of leader, Hastat Abdullah, Nahid Sharziz, and all walks of life, all members of different types of political parties come forward to claim the reformation, the jurisdiction, the judgment, the real jurisdiction of the country, and the country will be free, and the free fair election will be held either February or March. That doesn't matter, or maybe April. Inshallah, we would like to free from all kind of corruption. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.